In the last exercise, we made this table that had 3 columns and 4 rows, and I'd like to just show you how we can merge and split cells. Okay, and you'll notice that in the property selector down here, there are a couple of buttons, and these buttons, this one is called the split cell button, and then this is called the merge cell button. Okay, so we'll be using some of these buttons later. Okay, in this exercise, one way of merging cells is to highlight two cells that you wish to merge. So for example, select the first 2 cells in the left column of the table, like I've done here, then go up to modify, and then point to table, and then find and click merge cells, and the 2 cells are now merged into one single cell. Okay. Another way of doing it is by doing the following. Highlight the 3rd row of the 2nd column, then drag to the right to select these 4 cells here. And if you go down to the property inspector, that merge selected cells using spans button is now available. If I click this, this is another way of merging cells. Okay, so you've now learned 2 different ways. Also, we can split cells by doing the following. Go back to the first cell that we had merged, this cell here, select it, and in the property inspector, find the split cells button, the split cells into rows or columns button, and then that will open up this dialog box called the split cell dialog box. And we can split cells into rows or columns. We want to split that cell into columns, and we want to split it into 2 columns. So you can use these up and down arrows to select 2. Click OK, and now you can see that that cell has now been broken up into 2 separate cells. Okay, we're now finished this exercise. Please save and proceed to the next exercise.